Hello. Today we're going to talk about the new bed design for the Opus1 Gouger. If you open the carriage, you'll notice inside here we have the bed that has standard clips, but it also has a new thing on the side here, which is a little device that allows the right-hand cane stop over here to go back and forth against the cane. Now the cane will have to be cut long enough, of course, to touch both cane stops, which in most standard pieces of cane should, but you can adjust your guillotine if you have to make it touch. If you also decide you don't want to use this feature, you can cut the cane slightly shorter, and that will actually make it so that the cane stop won't be touching it and it will function like a standard bed. But I do think though that once you try this feature, you will like it and prefer to keep it, to use it as follows. Now, the key to using this is to put the cane in like a standard gouger, put the piece of cane, this is already gouged, but you put a piece of cane over here against the left-hand cane stop, and then let it pop down in the bed, line it in the middle, close the right-hand cane stop. Now, if the cane is set to be used for the clips, the cane will not be all the way down the bed yet on the side over here. And so you'll pull this out like this, put it back in, and this clip will push the cane down into the bed, at which time, when you close this cane stop will grip the end of the cane and hold it in place. Then you'll close the carriage. Now I prefer to gouge by having my thumb as a focal point at this point of the carriage, because I want the force, all my main force, to be focused on the front guide, because that's the most critical part of the carriage to touch, or the guide to touch of the cane that's being gouged. And then I just sort of push back and forth like this. Now no cane is going to make up, like I said, this cane has already been gouged. And the way I flip the cane is I will take my ring finger, I'll pull back this clip with that ring finger, and these fingers now are ready to grip the cane. Here I'll pull back this clip and this cane stop with the first finger and take the cane out like that. And put it back in, like last time. Flip the end. Gouge the cane. And you can see actually it's pretty quick when you get your little procedure together. It's a bit more effort involved in the fact you have to pull this back, but the benefits of having the cane held in position in the bed, I think, outweighs that extra little maneuver to a great extent. And you do that until you have no cane coming up in both directions, on both flips, and that tells you that you have bottomed out. Because if you get even a slight sliver of cane on one particular pass, you should take the cane out and flip it on the far side as well to make sure you have no cane in that direction. And that's pretty much all there is involved in actually gouging and using the new bed design for this. So I hope you like it, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. We can go over it in person. And thank you very much.